So hi guys, we are home now. We are going to our home because we are in the middle of nowhere of our home. Please, wait.
Itang guys, tago mo sa mo.
No!
Nabulong ko.
We are hiding. We are hiding
That's for that, guys.
to my nephew.
Yes, I just,
Oh, can you repeat that for me?
okay.
Please.
Can I borrow fake nails, guys?
No.
Hindi mo na ka?
Mark, can you hide it for me? Please. No! I said, can you hide it for me?
Magdali na ba?
I said, let's go.
Nagpatalo.
Get your yaki. A yaki is a sour candy, but it's a bubble gum or a gumball. All you gotta do is just meet me at the sing siri pitulong buji kachapi ko bulu pare sakit na sing siri pitulong buji kachapi ko bulu pare. So hello guys, we are in my home now, in my room with my cousin. Oh my god. Okay, here. Oh no!
Kasama ko.
Why? Oh yeah, there.
But I can still mobile.
Done. That's two. Is that two? Okay. Let's get some. Can you close the door, please? Okay, this is our snacks. Okay, pick some color. I pick this, and this.
Bye.
This.
This is ours.
Yes. Here's mine.
Just mine again.
Pick.
Hey, can I buy luta?